everyone, you're watching Flavours and it's me Sakshi, your host in those. In today's video, we're gonna make spinach and cheese ravioli. This is a dish in the Italian cuisine and it's really tasty and quite easy to make. So, let's get started. So let's get started with making the dough for the ravioli. So first in a bowl, I'm gonna add in 3/4 cup of wheat flour or multigrain flour, then about 1/3 cup of refined flour. If you don't want to take in wheat flour, then you can just take the combined quantity of refined flour. 3 tablespoons of semolina. This gives a really nice texture. And salt to taste. About half teaspoon. Mix all the dry ingredients well together. Now to this we'll be adding in about 1 tablespoon of oil and then we'll be adding in the water. So let's first add in half cup. Mix it gently and make a dough. In goes 1/4 cup more of water. Okay, so now our dough is ready. We're going to cover and rest this for about 20 to 30 minutes. So until the dough rests, let us make the stuffing for the ravioli. Here I have half cup of crumbled paneer. To this I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of blanched spinach. For this you just need to put in spinach into boiling water along with a little bit of salt and then drain out all water. So we put in the blanched spinach. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn and then we'll be adding in some cheese. So 2 tablespoons of cheese. For the seasoning, we're going to add in salt to taste, chili flakes, half teaspoon, white pepper powder, half teaspoon, black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and a little bit of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon. Now we'll mix all this well together. So now this has been mixed, I'm going to make small portions of these to dump into each ravioli. So now we've made around 7 to 8 portions. These are ready. For the sauce, first in a deep bottom pan, add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. To this we'll be adding in 1.5 tablespoons of refined flour, the same quantity of both, and we'll let this cook for a little bit. After cooking this for about a minute, add in 2 cups of milk and keep stirring this to avoid the formation of lumps. 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add in tomato puree. So I added in about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and now using a whisk, we'll dissolve all the lumps and mix it very well with the sauce. So now the sauce has started to become really thick. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of cheese. Let's do the seasoning. I'm going to add in chili flakes, about half teaspoon, white pepper powder, half teaspoon, black pepper, half teaspoon, oregano, 1/4 teaspoon, and a little bit of salt. In goes 2 teaspoons of cream. Okay, so now it's been almost 5 minutes since this is cooking, 5 to 7 minutes. This is nice and thick. So let's off the flame. So now let's get to our dough. It's been almost 30 minutes and the dough has absorbed quite a lot of water. And you've got a perfect consistency. So we're going to take this on a working surface, dust a little bit of semolina or refined flour or any flour. Just knead this for about 2 minutes. So now our dough is kneaded and is ready. So let's proceed. We're going to take a rolling board, apply a little bit of all-purpose flour, place a portion of the dough over it, apply a little bit of flour over it as well. Now we'll roll this into a circular shape. Now this is rolled and ready. Now we're going to cut this using mold. Take 2 of the rolled portions and place a small mixture, a small roundel of the mixture, and cover it with the other. Seal the edges. And now we'll give impression to this using a fork towards the edges. We'll press it gently and give the impression. The raviolis are made and ready. Boiling the raviolis, take a deep bottom pan and put in water to it. Then add in some oil and a little bit of salt. Now we'll let the water boil. Now our water has come to a roaring boil. Make sure that it boils really in a high speed. Now let's place our raviolis in it. So this will take around 10 minutes to cook. So let's remove this. There you go friends, a delicious ravioli is ready. Let's dig into it. So hope you liked the recipe of the ravioli. Do give the recipe a try and tell us how it turned out in the comment section below. And yes, do subscribe to Flavours. Till then, it's me Sakshi signing off.